I have 1 can of tuna fish with 1 tablespoon of avocado mayonnaise, and I had 3 of this pickles in here. And then I have 2 sausage patties with a melted American cheese in the middle. It's ugly, but it's delicious. Keto Diamond eats this, and it made me want it, and I tried it, and it's very, very good. Each sausage patty is 1 carb. I don't know about the piece of cheese. And I don't know about that. But yeah, I'm going to put it in a macro calculator, and then I'll tell you. Alright guys, so I'm going to make some chicken Parmesan crusted chicken with some cheese and cut up bacon on top. I got my kitchen scissors and I'm just going to cut it up, and then I'm going to cook it. I cooked some bacon earlier, so I'm just going to use the same pan. The grease is melting. Move this candle away. I have my pan here. I already cooked some bacon earlier, so I'm just heating this up and we'll cook it in that again. I got my old nasty, it's not nasty, it's clean, it's just scraped up cookie sheet. I got my cooling tray on it. That way the chicken doesn't, the juices can drip down and it won't make it soggy. Oven is preheating to 400 degrees, so let's get started. So Peyton is just stirring up those pieces of bacon that I cut up. He's doing a wonderful job. Here, let's get this out of the way. We like to keep it farther on the back burner so none splashes up and hits them. I don't know if anybody's ever tried it, but I got these powders at Aldi for popcorn, and I thought I could put that on things. This is zero. Why does this keep going out of focus? There we go. This is 0 carbs, actually. No calories, nothing like that. So, I just thought I could put this in the seasoning for the chicken today. So, besides for that, I also put in some sea salt, some minced garlic, and some black pepper. Alright, so I have 1 egg stirred up into a bowl, and I have my grated Parmesan cheese mixed with the ranch seasoning and the salt, pepper, and minced garlic. So I washed off my chicken breast. I patted it dry. Now I'm going to put it into the egg mixture. Don't mind that horrible squeaky noise in the background, Peyton. Just get it in the egg wash. And put it down into this stuff. Probably a lot easier with 2 hands. My tripod's upstairs and I'm being lazy. So. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it onto my tray, and then I'm going to do the others, and I'll be right back. So here they are. They are ready to go into the oven. The bacon is almost all the way cooked. It is still got a ways to go, so I thought they could finish cooking in the oven, and they look really good. So once these are done, I think I'm going to put them in for about 35 minutes and then check on them. Once they get to almost being done, then I will put some cheese on top of these, and I will cook them for a little bit longer. They look like these are going to be so good, you guys. Just look at these.